One more advantage that Mozilla provides is tabbed browsing. You can see a plus sign on the title bar just beside the name of our website. I'll click on that. That will open a new tab for me. I will open a website, say yahoo.com. So now you will be able to see that we have two different websites opened in a single window of Firefox. You can have multiple websites open in the similar way. This is a Yahoo website with a simple HTML look. It is not loading quickly. One more thing I would like to show you. Mozilla, this is a Yahoo website, again a well defined look. One more thing I would like to show you. We have a Google search box in Mozilla already built in. You can see on the top right corner where I have Google search box. I can write anything. Let me write Rediff, Rediff. It is a good website for news. So I will write Rediff and press enter, and see I have a Google search results. You can also choose between various search engines to use instead of Google. I will click on the Google logo in the Google search box and the arrow beside it. Now I have Google, Yahoo, Bing, Amazon, eBay, Twitter and many others. You can select any of the search engines you want to use, but Google is by default. Suppose I have one website open like Google. Now the previous website I had open in this very tab was Yahoo. Now how to get back to Yahoo? I will click on the back button just below the Firefox written on the top left corner, and see I am back to Yahoo homepage. Suppose the fonts are very small and you need to enlarge the font to read it. So you can simply do one thing. You can click on View in Firefox. I can do an alternate way. I can press Ctrl and plus button on my keyboard. You see the font size is increasing one by one. I'll press again. It's even more bigger, and again, and even more bigger. This way you can read the smaller fonts on your website also. This is an advantage that Mozilla offers. So this was the basics go through with Mozilla Firefox that I gave you. Mozilla has several other options which you can learn from the spoken tutorials video that we have on our website. I will show you that in a minute. I will go to the spoken tutorial website on my computer screen, www.spokentutorial.org/new, new. This is our new spoken tutorial website, where you can see that I have a drop down menu, select FOSS category. There are several FOSS, that is free and open source software tutorials that we have ready on our website. You can watch them, download them, learn from them, all free of cost. Here I will choose Firefox, which is on the top, fourth from the top, Firefox. Now there is a select language drop down button also. We have provided you with the tutorials in several different languages. I will choose English and I will click on locate tutorial. You can see the list below. There are several tutorials with each level, the name of the tutorial, and when you click on the view, suppose I will click on introduction and I will click on view, it will take me to a page where I have a video of spoken tutorials. Okay, now you can see various different links on the top of the video: slides, assignment, code files, download video and submit comments. Slides are certain presentations that we have made to teach you spoken tutorial on Mozilla. Assignments are some small assignments which we give you on basis of the video you saw, so that you can practice it on your own. We also allow you to download the video from the website by just clicking the download video link, and you can also ask some questions or submit your comments by clicking on submit comments link. So this is our spoken tutorial website. Now before I take you to exploring the website in more detail, we will start with Libreoffice tutorials. Now Libreoffice is something very similar to Microsoft Office, but it is free. Microsoft Office that we usually use are not free, we need to pay for the licenses. But Libreoffice is totally free for download. Now from where you can download, you can go to the website www.libreoffice, that is libreoffice.org. This is the Libreoffice official website from where you can download Libreoffice. You can see a big green rectangle on the screen to download Libreoffice, or you can also download Libreoffice for Linux and other operating systems by just going to the download tab on the Libreoffice menu bar. Then I have in the first line change system, version or language. I will click on that, and now I have Libreoffice for Windows, Mac and Linux. I can download it from here, but I will choose Windows. Now these are various languages in which Libreoffice is available right now. I will scroll down and I will choose English US. These are the various versions of Libreoffice you can see, 3.5, 3.6 and 3.5.5, but I will download the latest version 3.6.0. I will click on it. Here I have two different options, main installer and the Libreoffice built-in help. The main installer will install the Libreoffice software into my computer, and the help pack will install the help packages in my computer. I will click on the main installer button. And that will start my download for Libreoffice. Now I'll click on save file and my download will be started. Again, I have already downloaded the Libreoffice to save time, so I will close this window. I have also downloaded the Libreoffice built-in help package, so let's try and install it. I will go to my desktop in the folder where I have downloaded. I will double click on the Libreoffice install multi, that is the actual setup. It will take a few minutes. Yes. Now I will click on next. This is the username and the organization. I will leave it as it is right now. I will click on next. It's a typical or a custom installation. I will choose the typical one. Next. I will click on install. This will take several minutes and it will get Libreoffice installed for me in my computer. Now Libreoffice, as I said, is completely similar to Microsoft Office, but certain terminologies do change. Like MS Office Word, Microsoft Word is known as Libreoffice Writer. Microsoft Excel is known as Libreoffice Calc or Libreoffice Spreadsheet. Microsoft PowerPoint for presentation is known as Libreoffice Impress, and there are several other tools in Libreoffice. You can also go back to our website www.spokentutorial.org/new. There we have the tutorials for Libreoffice also. I will go to www.spoken-tutorials.org/new. Again I will choose the category for FOSS as LibreOffice suite for Base, Calc, Draw, Impress, Math and Writer. I'll just let you know a brief about it. LibreOffice Writer, I said, is similar to Microsoft Word. LibreOffice Impress is similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. LibreOffice Calc is similar to Microsoft Excel or a spreadsheet. LibreOffice Math is a tool that allows you to write mathematical equations very easily, and there are many others. For now I'll choose LibreOffice Suite Writer. I will choose a language, English, and I will click on Locate Tutorial. And here I have list of number of tutorials on LibreOffice that you can see and learn from. I'll also now take you to a brief tour of our website. I will scroll up. Now you can see a link called Collaborate. Now we also invite collaborations from students, from teachers or from any other patron. In Collaborate, there are several roles that we can assign to you. I'll scroll down and I'll show you the roles. Here I have the list of various roles like outline creation, script writing, reviewing the script, reviewing the original tutorial, and very different roles that we have. You can enroll with any of the roles that you want to. You can fill up the form that is on this page, your first name, last name, contact number and else details that are asked for, and we will get back to you regarding the interest that you provided. I'll also show you some different things on our website. I'll go to the top of the page. There is a contact us link. I'll show you the contact us link. This is our address at IIT Bombay, and we also have provided our landline contact number and our email ID. But for now, if you want to contact us, you can contact us at two alternate mail IDs that we have. That is Tadrash, TADRASH -106 at yahoo.co.in, and my colleague Neil _PA_25 at yahoo.co.in. You can just drop in a mail for any of the queries or help you require, and we will get back to you. Also, now I would like to let you know that how can you organize and what are the spoken tutorials workshop that you can organize at your institute, your college, your department as you wish. In spoken tutorials workshop, you just need to do some simple steps. We already provided you the email ID. You can just drop in the email ID and let us know that you want to organize a spoken tutorial workshop at your college. We can have a talk over the phone or over the email, and then we will send you all the materials that are necessary for spoken tutorial workshop. It will contain CDs of the softwares, some videos of the software of spoken tutorials, and very different posters that you can put on a notice board. We will send all this to you for free, and mind you, the spoken tutorials workshop at your institute are totally free. You can get this kit from IIT Bombay. You can organize the workshop in your institute. The workshop is only for 2 hours. You can spare your computer laboratories or your networking labs, internet labs for 2 hours. Then you can take those CDs home. You can learn the spoken tutorials at your own pace on your home, and after 15 days you can appear for the online test, which is just 45 minutes, and the test is designed by IIT Bombay. Once you clear the test, you can get a certificate from IIT Bombay that you are a certified so and so software users. We also have incentive for the organizers and the coordinators in your college. Those who organize the event and coordinate the event, they will also get the special certificates from IIT Bombay Spoken Tutorials team. You just need to take the permission of your principal or head of the department regarding conducting the IIT Bombay Spoken Tutorials at your college. We can communicate different dates and timings at which you can conduct workshops at your colleges, but just make sure that you communicate the dates to us, because we will be monitoring the spoken tutorials workshop through Skype. So after taking the permission from your principal, you can just drop in the mail at the given mail ID, and we will get back to you regarding the dates and very different details that we need to communicate to you regarding conducting the spoken tutorials workshop. And once we are convenient enough, we can determine the date and the time at which we can conduct the workshop at your college. Again, it's just a 2 hours workshop, and after 15 days you need to appear for an online test, which is very simple online test. And if you have gone through the spoken tutorials in a well good defined approach, you can easily clear the test. Once you clear the test, you will have certificate from IIT Bombay, and it will add to your credentials, especially the final and pre-final year engineering, science, MCA students can have their certificates in their placements, so that you can have added credit. There are various other tutorials that I showed you on our spoken tutorial website. We have tutorials for Scilab, which is very similar to MATLAB, which can be taken by the master's degree students, PhD degree students who are doing their dissertations. We have tutorials on Linux, which are very basic, on teaches you how to use Linux, because many of you might not know it. We will also be taking up a lecture series through SANDHAN in coming Mondays 12 to 1 to teach you these different softwares, the installation and the small configuration that may demand on your computers. If possible, we will also be showing you the installation on Windows as well as installation on the Linux computing platforms. Once these tutorials are done, we also wish that you conduct the tutorials in your colleges, across different departments, in colleges near your institute. You can go there, you can talk to the principals or the concerned authorities regarding conducting spoken tutorials workshop, and you can join us as campus ambassador, as in you can conduct tutorials in your colleges and different institutes. You can join us as a self workshop manager who is responsible for conducting these workshops across different colleges. You can also join us as spoken tutorials promoter, self workshop promoter, that is SELF, self workshop promoters, and they will be responsible for conducting these tutorials across the state. You will also have accolades like your appreciation letters, certificates, your visiting cards, and every other details that you need to conduct this workshop across your state, your colleges, your departments, anywhere. We invite everybody to join us for this motive.